Hi and welcome everyone. It's Lisa here for Whimsy Stamps. We really appreciate you joining us today. We just want to take a few minutes of your time to introduce you to the new creative team. They'll be bringing you new video content weekly that is going to inspire you and have you heading into your crafty space ready to create your next project. Now you're going to want to click that subscribe button below and ring the bell so you'll be notified each time a new video is released. Now, some of you may know me from posting here on the channel, but for those who don't, I'm Lisa. I've been making handmade cards for about 10 years now, and while I've delved into different areas of the card making industry, my heart is in the making of the cards and creating card tutorials to share with all of you. That's what I really love doing. Now, I'm going to continue to share the same type of content here on the Whimsy channel, and I'll fill in occasionally for the others. Always know I welcome your feedback and requests on video content. Please know how appreciative I am that you take time out of your life to occasionally join me here on YouTube.
Hi everyone, I'm Kathy. I'm so excited to be a part of the Whimsy Stamps creative video team. I'll be posting on Wednesdays, sharing a variety of techniques and some tips and tricks along the way. A little bit about me, I started stamping more than 20 years ago after being introduced to it at a home party. And I liked it so much that eventually I ended up opening my own stamp store, which I had for almost 7 years. And I found in that time that my favorite part about having the store was actually teaching classes and sharing ideas and techniques. So I hope to inspire you here, and I look forward to getting to know all of you.
Hi, Whimsy Stamp fans. My name is Donna from Creative Pixie Designs, and I'm super excited to be joining the Whimsy Stamp Creative Video team. A little bit about me, I started my crafty journey with scrapbooking, and after discovering card making a few years ago, it quickly became my favorite creative outlet. I absolutely love everything about cards and card making. I love learning new techniques and trying them out in my own way. I love coloring, especially cute and whimsy images. On the Whimsy Stamp channel, I'll be sharing with you coloring tips and tricks, as well as some of my favorite techniques for creating cards using whimsy stamps. I'm so super excited to be a part of this new journey, and I look forward to sharing and getting to know all of the wonderful whimsy friends. Bye for now.
Hey everybody, it's Linnea. I'm excited to be on the Whimsy Stamps video team, and I'm going to be bringing you videos a few Fridays through the month, and my focus will be Fresh Friday. So my goal is to inspire you to use the Whimsy Stamps products in ways that maybe you wouldn't first think of. I love to combine products and use them together on one card. So you're going to see me combining dies, stencils, and stamps to bring you a card project that hopefully will inspire you. I have been around the craft community for a little while now. I actually started paper crafting over 15 years ago. When I was right around the age of 12 or 13, I used paper crafting as a form of therapy. And I think that a lot of us do that. I think a lot of us have found comfort in inks and stamps and die cutting. And I now have a son who I love to bring in my craft room. So sometimes in my videos, if you see his little hand popping in, that's because I like to keep him in the craft room with me, and he loves to be in the craft room with me. I think that it's a great outlet and a great form of therapy and expression. So that's just a little bit about me. My style is very clean and simple. You're going to get a lot of inspiration from me. That's going to be easy to recreate, many times easy to mass produce. My style appeals to people who are like me. Maybe you're a mom, maybe you're working like me, and you love to make cards and you love to craft, but you don't have the time to do a lot of elaborate designs. My style is very clean and simple, and I hope that that inspires you, and I hope that you see something that you love. Thank you guys. I'll see you really soon on the Fresh Friday videos on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel.
So we want to encourage you to interact with us whenever possible by commenting and liking the content that is being shared on the channel. Our goal is to build a community with you all where everyone feels welcome. Please feel free to reach out to us if you ever have questions or even requests. We love hearing from you, and we cannot wait to start this journey with you. Thank you so much.